Easter weather freezing forecast. UK faces thundersnow and Arctic winds in 24 hours. Britain is just 24 hours away from the next big freeze as the nation battens down the hatches for sub-zero temperatures, bitter winds, rain and snow. Heavy wintry showers, hail and explosive outbreaks of thundersnow threaten chaos in parts of the country over the Easter weekend, forecasters warn. Torrential rain and gales unleashed by a deep low-pressure system last night will set the scene for the rest of the week, they say. Western regions are on alert for further heavy downpours this morning with more widespread rainfall forecast through the day. Milder air from the Atlantic will push temperatures into double figures before the mercury plummets on Wednesday. Britons should not be lulled into a false sense of security by the current mild and settled weather with a significant change on the way. Opinions are still divided on the extent of snowfall over the next few days, although some forecasters have issued fresh warnings for widespread wintry showers. UK weather charts show the nation being lashed by heavy rain and wintry showers with up to a centimetre of snow set to fall per hour in Scotland and the north. Exacta weather forecaster James Madden said stormy conditions clashing with the cold blast will trigger thundersnow eruptions of heavy snowfall, thunder and lightning. He said, "We are about to see a significant drop in temperatures as winds veer in from a more northerly and easterly direction. We expect heavy snow showers to start developing in places from midweek. Many northern and western areas will be at most risk from Wednesday. However, wintry showers and snow could occur as far south as southern England by the middle of the week. This theme is likely to persist into the Easter weekend with further snow showers popping up in northern, western, and eastern areas. Anywhere is at risk of seeing snow, and although some places will escape unscathed, wintry showers are expected to pop up widely over the next week. In addition to the snow and low pressure which will dominate the weather through the week, we have the right base for some potential thundersnow and hefty hail showers in places. The Met Office said snowfall is most likely over the hills of Scotland and over high ground in northern and central England this week. Forecaster Claire Nazier said the weather will go downhill from today after a mostly calm and settled start to the week. She said, "Through Monday evening we will see the first of the rain arrive as winds pick up strength. Cloud and rain will sweep in with moderate bursts through the early hours of Tuesday. It will be widely wet with some hill snow likely across the Grampians. We hang on to the wet weather in northeastern England and Scotland, although temperatures will reach around 10 C, 50 F, to 12 C, 53.6 F. Colder conditions will arrive towards the middle of the week with further strong winds expected in parts," she said. She added, "There will be a change in weather through the middle of the week with some strong winds across the Northern Isles with temperatures now in single figures everywhere. That really sets the scene for the Easter weekend. We are likely to see some cooler conditions with low pressure firmly in charge and the chance of some snow, particularly over the Scottish mountains." UK weather models show a deep area of low pressure sweeping across northern Britain, bringing wind and rain through today. The Met Office said more than an inch of rain could fall in parts over 12 hours with winds of 50 miles per hour set to lash exposed regions. Gusts of between 20 to 30 miles per hour are forecast further inland, with many regions facing a wet, windy and cold few days, government forecasters said. Snow charts reveal much of the country facing wintry showers from midweek, although Scotland and northern England are likely to bear the brunt of the cold snap. The chilly forecasts have kept bookies on their toes as the odds on a raft of Easter weather records tumble. Ladbrokes is offering 4-1 from 8-1 on the wettest Easter weekend on record, although the odds on snow have drifted from evens to 5-2. Spokesman Alex Aparti said, "Don't expect the sun to stay out for long as odds of a record-breaking wet Easter take a significant cut." The Met Office yesterday sought to allay fears over the imminent bad weather, insisting the cold snap will not be as severe as earlier this month. Chief Meteorologist Frank Saunders said, "Throughout the Easter weekend it will stay unsettled with showers or longer outbreaks of rain for most It is going to continue to feel on the cold side throughout much of the holiday period, and there is still a risk of snow in some places, but mainly over higher ground in the northeast of the UK. It is worth noting that given the time of year, the sun is much stronger than it was even a month ago and the daylight hours longer, meaning any snow is less likely to settle by day, so even if we do see some snow to low levels, it is more unlikely to cause disruption. It is important to point out that we are not expecting anything on the scale of the last two spells of unusually cold weather which brought significant and disruptive snowfall.